What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Omni. Wanted to do an update. Quite a lot of you have requested this, and just in general I also do think that this is quite an interesting coin right now to watch. It's obviously a new coin launched via Binance, which is very often interesting to keep your eyes on. Alright, we've seen a lot of these Binance launch pool launches do quite well. Apart from that, it has a market cap of $250 million, which I would say is relatively low. And then maybe most importantly, they're also backed by Jump Crypto, which also have a market making firm or arm of their company. And usually if a crypto has a good market making partner, that does increase the chances of some sort of a big rally. All right, so right now, Omni, after getting that big bullish breakout above 27.5, found resistance at 30, together with the 236 fib of this entire move down. So that was a very strong resistance level. So it's not weird that from there we found resistance. But from there, we have turned into some sort of a downtrend. Even though I would say, arguably, that the markets have been quite strong since then. I mean, this was Sunday. Since then, Bitcoin has been more bullish. So that's a bit of a divergence. Now, overall, that's not weird, all right? Very often, these new cryptos are not really correlated to the market yet. But I do think that there are opportunities here, all right? Especially if you consider Jump Crypto being involved, but then also the market cap and the Binance affiliation. That's very interesting. Now, if we look at Omni right now, technically though, and I know you cannot see that right now, like I said, we have really turned into a downtrend. We're making lower highs right here, even though there's no clear trend, but we are making, we're making lower highs, we're making lower lows, and the EMAs are all on top of the price and are also providing resistance. So short term, if the market structure is bearish, it's always best to assume that we're going to drop down even lower. Now, what we are reaching is the bottom we also hit the 19th of April, so last week, Friday. And that's quite a strong level. I mean, first of all, we found some strong support there, so it's a proven level. And then apart from that, it's also 22.5, which is a big psychological support level. So at this moment, short term, I think it's most likely that we're going to be dropping down to that level. We also just a couple of hours ago broke down below this level around $25, which is also a strong level and a psychological level. So we look very bearish right now. But like I said, from that level, I would keep your eyes open. I mean, unless we actually get some sort of a reversal, bearish momentum is still most likely. And you can also see that there's no strong momentum right now. All right. And especially since Sunday morning, a lot of the spot buys that came in since Friday that caused this bullish momentum have been sold as well. So there's absolutely no indication that we are going to be bullish. But if we hit that level and you see the open interest go up a little bit, which the open interest is still very high. If you see that, and we can from that level, for example, get some sort of a breakout above 24.5 and 25, we can rally quite hard. So keep your eyes on that, all right? Short term, it's most likely will drop down to 22.5. And if we do not gain momentum from there, if we don't get a bullish breakout above 24.5 from there, we can also drop down to 20. So bearish is the most likely scenario, but due to the circumstances, I think that you should keep your eyes on it. Because if from one of those two support levels, we do get a major bullish breakout with momentum, so the open interest goes up, then there's a lot of potential. So keep your eyes on that, all right? If we do get the breakout, 27.5, $30 would be the first two targets. For now, that's what I think you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Take care, have a great week, and bye.